Hi, gorgeous. Close your eyes and discover your breath within your body. Today, we're going to transform your entire body into rose petals. Softly, very softly, feel into your feet. See your feet completely filled with rose petals. See the gorgeous petals. What color of roses are they? Mine are a light pink. Are they orange? Are they red? Smell the roses and soften and relax your feet. Now soften and relax your calves into roses. Smell the roses. The scent of the light fragrance is coming off of the roses. Feel your entire body get softer and softer. And feel the rose petals in your thighs. Feel your thighs completely fill with rose petals. Feel the rose petals in your palms. Connect with the scent of the roses within your body. In your arms, soften into roses. In your shoulder blades, soften into roses. In your hips, your glutes, each side of your butts blossoming to a beautiful rose, and up your spine. Just feel your body completely filled with the most delicate rose petals in the world. Your feet, your thighs, your hips, your palms, your arms, your shoulders. Now softly feel the rose petals fall into your breath. Now we're going to have a Victoria's Secret symbol, that V with the S in it. And we're going to trace the shape of the S, trace the falling rose petals all the way down to the center of the V, or your velvet place. So visualize your breath forming that S, this S out of rose petals, past your mouth, your throat, your chest, and the bottom of the S is right into your velvet place, or your Victoria's Secret area of your body. The most beautiful rose is in there, completely covered in diamonds. So beautiful. Spend time with the rose within there, and they're going to breathe these beautiful diamonds back up, tracing the S back up, your stomach and your chest back up to your lips, and soften the roses. Now see roses stretching out all around you. Trees covered in roses, lawns covered in roses. But while seeing the roses, while holding them even in your hands, you feel the most expensive rose of all. Who is you? So feel the rose petals in your feet, the rose petals in your thigh, the rose petals in your heart, the rose petals in your hand, and most of all, the rose petals in your breath. thank you for joining me for this ASMR breath work, visualization, and meditation today. I hope it was very somatically healing for your soul. And here's to walking and breathing in the fragrance of who you as a woman are.